Delight in the creamy richness of Sitaphal Basundi, a delicious festive treat. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Bandevi and Vaidehi Hing. I hope you enjoy my recipe. So I have been boiling my milk and scraping the edges off so that it doesn't stick to the edges, stirring occasionally until the milk is half in quantity. My milk has been boiling and it's finally reduced to half. I've been stirring this occasionally and scraping the sides off. Now to this, I will be adding sugar, cardamom powder, and mixing this until the sugar dissolves. To this, I'm going to add my deseeded Sitaphal pulp, some Pistachio Slivers, and some Almond Slivers. I'm going to cool this and then put it in my fridge for at least half an hour. This is best enjoyed cold. My Sitaphal Basundi is cooled and ready to be served. I'm garnishing with Almond Slivers and Pistachio Slivers, and this is ready to be served.